Hi everyone, today I'm going to make this delicious banana bread pancake recipe. They're light, fluffy, and packed full of banana flavor. Now before we make our pancakes, let's get our strawberries ready. Just cut them in half and mix them with sugar and vanilla. Let these sit and they'll be ready when our pancakes are done. Now we can start on our dry ingredients for our pancakes. Start with our flour, kosher salt, baking powder, baking soda, and our ground cinnamon. Just mix this all together and set it aside. The next thing we need to do is mash our bananas. You want to use bananas that are overripe for this recipe. The ones that are brown, soft, and been sitting on your counter since your last trip to the grocery store, those are perfect for this. When the bananas are like this, it lets you know that the starches in the bananas have converted to sugars, making the banana sweeter. Then we can add in our dark brown sugar. If you don't have dark brown, you can use light brown or regular sugar for this. Add in one whole egg and mix it together. And don't forget to add the melted butter. Now we can add in our dry ingredients. I'm going to switch to a spatula for this so I don't overwork the flour and make the pancakes chewy. We also need to add our milk and mix it into the batter. This is the consistency that you're looking for in the batter. If it's a little dry, you can add in a tablespoon of milk at a time. Next, we need to take one egg white and whip it to stiff peaks. The whipped egg white is going to add extra volume to our pancakes and is the key to having light and fluffy pancakes. You'll know your egg whites are stiff enough when they stand straight up on the whisk. Add the egg whites to our batter and just gently fold it in. You just want to keep rolling it over until it's fully incorporated. And this is the consistency in the batter that you're looking for. Now to cook the pancakes, just start with a nub of butter in a non-stick pan, and then I add in 2 scoops from my portion scoop and spread it around to make sure it makes a nice circle. To take our pancakes one step further, we're going to caramelize our bananas. You just sprinkle them with sugar and take a blowtorch to it. If you don't have a blowtorch, you can put them under the broiler until the sugar caramelizes. Thanks for watching my video on how to make this light, fluffy, and delicious banana bread pancake recipe. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite pancakes are. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.